and test compounds that potentially exhibit neuroprotective effects in Parkinson's disease. So basically, we use a mouse model of Parkinson's disease and we test the protective effects of these compounds. And in these current experimental conditions, we have already used the Inscopix technology, and we imaged the activity of striatal neurons in animals that were treated with a promising compound. We already have really interesting evidence that this compound has neuroprotective effects in Parkinson's disease. So now, with nVue, it is simply great timing for us because it allows us to image two different neuronal subpopulations simultaneously. It is simply amazing because we will be able to refine our understanding of these neuroprotective effects on the two major pathways in the basal ganglia. I'm already a huge fan of nVue.
nVue is a microscope platform that enables simultaneous dual-color imaging in freely behaving animals. With nVue, we can investigate the intricacies of how two distinct populations of cells interact longitudinally during free behavior. This allows us to gain deeper insights into the neural correlates of behavior. nVue is unique because it enables deeper understanding into how two distinct populations of cells or two distinct brain signals interact during free behavior in a single imaging session. This is not possible with single-color calcium imaging.
The scientific value of doing two-color imaging with freely behaving animals has been obvious from the very beginning of the Invista platform, which was developed by our CEO and our founder, Kunal Ghosh. The biggest challenge in developing a two-color imaging system in this size range is overcoming chromatic aberration. That's something that's really easy to do in benchtop microscopes. You can utilize as many optical elements as needed to achieve the optical correction that you need to get. We don't have that luxury in a 2-gram package. However, we were able to, with a very small number of optical elements, develop a system which is completely achromatic on its own, and we've paired it with endoscopes. So I'm proud to say that through the combination of hardware and software control, we're able to develop an impeccable solution to two-color imaging.
I think the miniscope technology imposes itself as a must in systems and circuit neuroscience. Every single of my systems generates exciting data that elevates the impact of my team's research. I'm actually very satisfied with Inscopix. I'm very sensitive to the quality of the service they provide us. This includes my relationship with my sales manager. My FSC does an excellent job, and the support service is just great. We always find a solution to my problems.
The nVue system is much more than just an imaging device. It truly is a system which includes the hardware, software, support to help the user develop and hone their scientific question, support to help them with the surgical procedures and all the other procedures required in the laboratory, as well as data acquisition and analysis. In other words, the entire workflow.